Ever scrolled through YouTube and thought, man, I wish I could find that amazing video I liked last week? Well, you're in luck, because today we're unlocking your personal treasure trove of liked videos. First things first, you need to be on the YouTube website or using the YouTube app. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen, or if you're on mobile, you might need to tap the library tab at the bottom. You're looking for the library option, click or tap on it. Once you're in your library, you'll see a list of all your playlists and history. Scan down until you find a playlist that's clearly labeled liked videos. It usually has a thumbs up icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that playlist. And there you have it. All the videos you've ever given a thumbs up to are right here. You can scroll through them. And when you find something you want to rewatch, simply click on the thumbnail, and it will start playing. This is your personal collection of favorites. A fantastic way to curate content you love and easily share it with others, so next time you're hunting for that perfect video, you know exactly where to look. Happy watching.